This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and today we're going to be learning a move that I like to call the arm scoop. Now, this move is a really easy transition to help you guys go from your footwork to your back rocks, or just be able to use in your flow in a creative way. Without further ado, let's get down to the floor. Alright, you guys, so the arm scoop to me personally is kind of like the sweep, right? But with your arms. So in general, what we want to see is us going from here and eventually transitioning to our back, okay? So the arm scoop basically is us reaching our arm behind and putting our shoulder to the floor, and then bringing our arm out so that we're transitioning to the floor, right? So let's try that again. We're starting from basically like a sitting position. Our arm scoops around to bring our shoulder down. We bring it out, and now we're on the floor, okay? And that's basically it. So now let's try to smooth that out. Let's actually try it from starting from a footwork position. We're gonna reach our arm around, lower ourselves down to our shoulder, and reach us down. Kind of our arm and our shoulder is what's really gonna kind of absorb that impact, okay? So let's try it again. From sitting, we bring our arm around, scoop under, boom, okay? A little bit faster. Arm goes around, scoop under, right? And we scoop under, we kind of just like lift a little bit, or you could just lift up like that, okay? One more time, a little bit faster, scoop. Again, scoop. So now let's actually try to use this in a practical sense, okay? Let's actually do it from a sweep, okay? Let's go sweep, right? And now that we're in this position, scoop, okay? Again, let's start from a hook, sweep, scoop. Imagine we're doing some footwork, hook, sweep, scoop. Or say we do like a kick up, scoop, kick outs, scoop. Or even with our knee work. Now before we end, let's go over it one more time just for technical purposes. Again, it starts from here. We lean back, our arm scoops back, our shoulder hits the floor, our arm comes out. One common issue that people will have is that transition getting to the floor, and that kind of depends on the situation. Once you start feeling more comfortable with it, you can start doing it from here, scooping back. But again, the higher you go, the scarier it will be, the more risky it will be. So again, start from just sitting and build your way up. Now let's try it from a flow. Let's try it from power sweep, sweep to scoop, okay? So kind of switching directions. One more time, power sweep, sweep, scoop. Okay? Please always take whatever you guys learn and figure out your own way of using it, your own way of getting in and out of that move. It's very different teaching somebody through a video versus in person. In person, I can show someone something and see what they're doing and, you know, reroute their direction, or, you know, have them try different things or experiment. But online, you never know what people are gonna do with it. So again, always, always, always learn your moves, perfect it, practice it, and then apply it. Apply it to your dancing, experiment with it. Get creative, try something, you know, out of the ordinary, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more content like this, more flows, more transitions, make sure you guys press like and leave me a comment about what you guys want to see next. All right, talk to you guys soon. Peace. Thank you guys again for watching, and just want to give a quick shout out to catbeast.com. Make sure you guys check out their website to get your own custom hat today.